All right, you guys, let's try these grouping model steps. Let's just use the same equation so we know we can check our other answer at the same time. And let's go ahead and expand it just like we did the first time. This is actually 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 3 minus 5. So again, all we're worried about is the 2 sets of parentheses that we're multiplying together. Okay, so y equals 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 3 minus 5. Now, the grouping method is we have 2 groups here, right? We have this group and we have this group. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the first group up. I'm going to put 1x here, and I'm going to put the 3 here. So now I've used up this x and this 3. At the other x plus 3, I'm going to put, and then it's a positive 3. Okay, so this whole term went here, x plus 3 and x plus 3. So what we're doing is we're taking the first term of the first set of parentheses and multiplying it by the whole parentheses. And then we're taking the second term and multiplying it by the whole set of parentheses. Now, we've seen stuff like this all the time. All we have to do is distribute and combine like terms. So x times x is x squared. Positive x times positive 3 is positive 3x. Now we switch to this one. Positive 3 times x is positive 3x. And positive 3 times positive 3 is positive 9. And then we just combine our like terms, starting with x squared always, then with the x's, just like the formula says. 3x plus 3x is 6x plus 9. So in this case, our a is 1. Our b, oh, I haven't finished yet. That goes in times 2 minus 5. You guys, I'd forget my head if it wasn't screwed on. And here, it's just the same thing we got before, so you're going to get the same answer as you did before. So please write the completed answer down here. Okay. So what did we do for our steps? What did we do right here, the step 1? We expanded, right? And step 2 here, what happened? We took the first 2 terms of the first parenthesis and split them up. Split up first parenthesis. Parenthesis. Oh my gosh, you guys tell me how to spell this tomorrow, okay? You can yell at me all you want. And then what did we do? We kept the other set together. And kept other set together. In my head, I always spell together as to get her. That's what goes through my head when I spell that word. Step 3, distribute that x through. So here and here, that was our step 3. These steps are really important because the first time you have a question, you know what I'm going to ask you? I'm going to ask you to get out your notes and tell me what the first step is. So step 3, distribute and combine like terms. All right, and you know what? I didn't use up very much time here, so let's go ahead and set up our, or should I make you do a practice problem? I'm going to make you do a practice problem. I'm going to write it down. Using the grouping model, will you please solve, and you should come to school with this on your paper and turn it in with it on your paper. Could you please solve, let me find a good equation in vertex form. just finding a good equation in vertex form that we can convert. Ooh, here's a good one with decimals. Y equals x plus 7.5 squared minus 3. We want to convert that. I'll even do step 1 with you. Expand. So we have y equals x plus 7.5 times x plus 7.5. And then minus 3. That minus 3 is still on there that you're going to need to do at the very end. And now I'll just do one more step for you guys. So your x is going to go here. You should really come in with this done. And then what goes there? And then your plus 0.75 here. And then what's going to go there? And then your minus 3 on the end over there. Okay, so please have this done before you take a picture to upload it. And I will talk to you later. Oh, stay tuned for the next video on FOIL.